Don't know about you, but I can always use more help to be more organized. Let's check out these modular magnetic MagPac bags today. Hi, this is David Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. In today's video, let's check out these MagPac bags and modules. See what makes them unique from all the other bags I've used. The MagPac is a Kickstarter project. Big thanks to OTO1 and lhids Creatives to sending these out for me to try and share with you. Liz originated from love hidden in details. Cool. I love the idea behind the MagPac. Basically, there are 3 bags and various magnetic module organizers. These modules attach to the inside of the bags with magnets, so they can be easily swapped in and out of each bag depending on what I want to carry. Let's go over the 3 bags first. Each comes in its own brown box with a clear label full of information. Inside, there's an inner plastic bag. There are 4 available colors: black, green, orange, and blue. I think the orange one looks great. The ones I have here are the black ones. This first one is the slim pouch. It's about 9 inches by 6 inches and weighs about 5.5 ounces. It's made of a soft water-resistant polyester material with nice stitching on the edges. There's a subtle black lhids logo on the lower right corner. It has a front zipper pocket, another open pocket in the back. There are these 2 little rings for attaching a strap to carry the pouch over the shoulder. There's also a small wrist strap on the side that can be removed. All the zippers have pull tabs on them. They're easy to operate and water resistant. The main compartment is double zippered. There's a stretchy loop on the side for pen. No other dividers inside. This is where the magnetic modules come in. More on those later. The second bag is the everyday pouch. It's about the same size as the slim pouch. Just carry horizontally instead of vertically. It's a bit thicker and about 1 ounce heavier. Same material with nice stitching on the edges. In the front, there's a zipper pocket with the subtle black lhids logo on the lower right corner just the same. No pocket in the back though, but this pouch can be extended thicker by unzipping this zipper around the pouch. Very flexible. And on the inside, it has the same pen loop on the side and no other dividers again. The third bag is a laptop sleeve. Much bigger at 10.6 inches by about 15 inches. Big enough for a 14-inch laptop. Same material with good stitching all around. Similarly in the front, there's a large zipper pocket and the same subtle black lhids logo on the lower right corner. In the back, there's a small zipper pocket and a pass-through to carry the laptop sleeve on the luggage handle. Very useful when traveling. There's a handle cover with artificial leather, I think, for carrying the sleeve vertically. Hidden on the side, there's another handle to carry the sleeve horizontally. Also hidden, and a bit hard to get out, are loops on each side of the handle to attach the over-the-shoulder strap. Unzipping open the main compartment, there's the included strap. Once again, no dividers, but a big pocket on each side for the laptop. My 13-inch MacBook Air fits well inside the pocket with some room to spare, so most modern 14-inch laptops should fit well in it. In the middle of the sleeve, there are these 2 bigger stretchy loops which can keep loose wires organized. Let's look at the magnetic modules next. Each one comes in a plastic bag with a detail label. This first one is the band module. It's about 7.7 inches by 5.5 inches. It's made of a black nylon material. This module has 6 stretchy bend slots. For me, this module will be great for pens, USB cables, or this little nail clipper. Next are 2 types of slots modules with different slot configurations. They're the same size as the bend module and made of the same nylon material. Slot module 1 has a large slot on the top, 3 credit card size slots, a long slot for pen, and a zipper pocket good for coins or SD cards. The second slots module has a different slot configuration. There are 2 larger slanted slots. The 3 credit card size slots are now on the bottom, and 1 big zipper pocket on the side. Next 3 modules are mesh modules. Yep, these are ones with the mesh pockets. All same size with the other modules and made of the same nylon material as well. The first one has 2 mesh pockets big enough for a charger and cables. These pockets are also good for earbuds like my AirPods Pro. The second mesh module has 2 mesh pockets side by side. And the third one just has 1 large zipper mesh pocket. There's one last module. It's also a mesh module but a large one. It's twice as big as the other ones. And it'll just fit in a laptop sleeve. It has 1 large zipper mesh pocket, perfect for laptop charger and cables, or even a small mouse. And here's where the magic happens. I could put any 1 or 2 of these small modules into the slim pouch or the everyday pouch. I like putting the bend module and the mesh module too in the everyday pouch to carry a few of my chargers, AirPods Pro, and cables. The magnets on the bag and the module are very strong, so once attached, they stay attached securely. This MagPac system is not only good for organizing tech accessories or stationaries. On the Kickstarter page, I saw how it could be great for carrying cosmetics too. I think the coolest thing about the MagPac is how I can easily remove a module and place it into a different bag with all the items still in place. I no longer have to take everything out and repack them when I want to switch bags. I'll put a link to the MagPac Kickstarter page below. There are various combos of bags and modules to choose from. If you like your stuff organized like me, or more like my wife, check it out. I can't wait for Liz to come out with even more creative modules and bags. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. What do you think about this new magnetic modular organizing system? Let me know in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.